We're now going to look at the laws of exponents. The first law of exponents states that when you multiply and the bases are the same, you add the exponents. So if you got 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 3, the base will stay the same and you're just going to add the exponents. You're going to say 2 plus 3 and that will give you 2 to the power of 5. Next example, 5 to the power of 4 times 5 to the power of 3. You'll see the bases are the same. The base is the 5. So the base will stay a 5. And you will add the exponents. So you will add the 4 to the 3. So you'll get an answer of 5 to the power of 7. The next example, 8 to the power of 5 times 8 will be 8 to the power of 5 plus 1. Remember, if you got a number without an exponent, there's a little hidden 1. So that 8 will be 8 to the power of 1. So it will be 5 plus 1, and that will give you 8 to the power of 6. The second law of exponents. The second law handles division. When you're going to divide and the bases are the same, you're going to subtract the exponents. So if you got 2 to the power of 10, divide by 2 to the power of 3, the bases are the same, so you're going to say 10 minus 3. So your answer will be 2 to the power of 7. Next example, if you got 9 to the power of 6, divide by 9 to the power of 3, you'll get that you need to subtract the 3 of the 6. So your answer will be 9 to the power of 3. If you get 6 to the power of 8, divide by 6. Remember, if there's no exponent, there's a little 1. So you'll say 8 minus 1. So the answer will be 6 to the power of 7. A number to the power of 0 will always be 1. Does not matter what the base are, the answer will be 1. So if you get 2 to the power of 0, the answer is 1. If you get 7 to the power of 0, the answer will be 1. The third law. If you raise an exponent to another power, you're gonna multiply the exponents. So if you got 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 4, you're gonna say 3 times 4, and that will be 2 to the power of 12. 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 5, that means you're going to multiply the 2 by 5, so your answer will be 3 to the power of 10. 15 to the power of 10 to the power of 6, you're going to multiply the 10 by 6, so your final answer will be 15 to the power of 60. The fourth exponent law. This is very closely related to the third one. You'll have two variables inside of the bracket. Each of the variables exponent needs to be multiplied with the exponent on the outside. So if you got in the bracket 2 times 3, that is 2 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 1. 1 times 5 gives you 5, so it will be 2 to the power of 5 times 3 to the power of 5. If you get 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 4, for the 2, you're going to say 3 times 4. And for the 3, you're going to say 2 times 4. So your final answer will be 2 to the power of 12 times 3 to the power of 8.